My name is Moreno Apicella. I'm in my master's in mechanical engineering at ZW, and within the Zurich UAS Racing team, I hold the role of the team leader. The Zurich UAS Racing team is the former student team from the Zurich University of Applied Sciences. We have currently 65 members from different fields of studies, mainly from the technical side, but also from operational and economical side. The Former Student Racing competition is the largest student engineering competition in the world. Students build, develop, prototype and manufacture a race car over a whole year. What makes the competition unique for me is the hands-on experience the students have on real engineering challenges, and also the collaboration with professionals from the industry and other students all around the world. For the 2024 season, our expectations are to improve our previous car and of course to establish ourselves as a competitive Formula Student team. We always plan to use 3D printing from the beginning, as it is much cheaper than milling and drilling. The biggest advantage of additive manufacturing is the flexibility you have in designing and the fast prototyping of the parts. The Sintratec technology comes into play in our drivetrain. We use cooling jackets to cool our motors, and the steering wheel from our steering system is 3D printed as well. First step was of course to design our cooling jackets in the CAD, and then the next step was to actually do a calculation of them if they fulfill the requirements to cool our motors. And once the model was validated, we sent them to Sintratec for the manufacturing. And then together with the steering wheel, our parts were printed with the Sintratec S3. For our steering wheel, we took handprints from our driver, so it makes it as comfortable as possible for him to drive our car. And after the handprint, we scanned the mold, and afterwards we could send it to Sintratec. After the printing process, Sintratec only had to clean the parts and they could directly send them to us, and we immediately installed them in our car. As you can see, we have a quite complex structure, especially the inner side from the cooling jackets. That's why we chose 3D printing and SLS to also be waterproofed. With the conventional manufacturing processes, it would have been quite hard to manufacture this part. In the automotive industry, I see the same advantages as in our project with the SLS technology. You're highly flexible in designing. You don't need tools or molds with SLS, so you have end-use parts directly after the printing process. You're super fast in prototyping, and you can mainly also use it for spare parts. The cooperation with Sintratec was highly satisfactory. It fulfilled our requirements and we had excellent technical support. Sintratec is a Swiss company. We're in close contact. We have quite short distance between, and with our parts therefore pretty fast in our workshop.